Welcome to the Modal Verb Challenge. Test your knowledge of modal verbs like can, could, will, would, and should. You have 6 questions to answer. Scenario 1. You please pass me the salt? Options: can, will, should, would, and could. Answer. The correct modal verb is could. Explanation. Could is used to make polite requests. Could you please pass me the salt? Scenario 2. She said she helped me with my project. Options: can, should, will, could, and would. Answer. She said she would help me with my project. Explanation. Would is used for reported speech or indirect speech. The speaker is reporting what she said about helping with the project. Scenario 3. You please pass me the menu? Options: can, should, will, would, and could. Answer. Could you please pass me the menu? Explanation. Could is used to make a polite request. The speaker is politely asking if the person could pass the menu. Answers. 2 questions. 1. Could. 2. Would. 3. Could. Scenario 4. I borrow your pen for a moment? Options: can, will, should, would, and could. Answer. The correct modal verb is can. Explanation. Can is used to make a polite request. Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Scenario 5. He said he help us move to the new house. Options: can, should, will, could, and would. Answer. He would help us move to the new house. Explanation. Would is used for reported speech or indirect speech. The speaker is reporting what he said about helping them move to the new house. Scenario 6. She said she'd come to the party if she can finish her work on time. Options: can, should, will, could, and would. Answer. The correct modal verb is will. Explanation. Will is used in reported speech to talk about future actions. She said she will come to the party if she can finish her work on time. Answers. 2 questions. 4. Can. 5. Would. 6. Will. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more exciting content.